Welcome! This video tutorial offers the simplest way how to add Subscript in Excel. Let's do this! Hello and welcome to EasyClick Academy. My name's Frank, and together with our EasyClick team we're here to make sure you'll be able to use Excel in a quick and easy way thanks to our digestible video tutorials. If we need to insert a text, number, or symbol as subscript, first we need to type the whole thing out into a target cell. Then we use a double click to get into the cell and select the bit we need to turn into subscript. Next, we go to the Home tab, find the section font, and click on this little arrow here in the corner. Now this pop-up window appears where we can select the option Subscript. Click on OK to confirm, and here we go. Subscript shows in the cell just as we want it. But that's not all for today. Let's learn one more way to insert Subscript in Excel. Again, we type into a cell a text. We select the bit to be turned into Subscript, but now we do a right-click and select the option Format Cells from the menu. The same window pops up where we tick the option Subscript, click on OK, and that's it. These two ways are most convenient if you need to insert Subscript in Excel. And if you'd like to know how to insert various symbols in Excel, watch more video tutorials by EasyClick Academy. The link to the video is in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and watch another video tutorial by EasyClick Academy. Learn how to use Excel in a quick and easy way. Is this your first time on EasyClick? We'll be more than happy to welcome you in our online community. Hit that subscribe button and join the EasyClickers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.